Hi, good evening. Today in our class, we understand about meaning and definition of dominant caste. So first, we understand dominant. What is the means of dominant? Dominant means having power and influence over the others. Let's start. The concept dominant caste was introduced by M.N. Srinivas. He says it helps in understanding intercaste relations and conflicts in Indian society. According to him, a caste is dominant when it influences numerically over the other caste, when it also hold authority of economic and political power, and when it enjoy a high ritual status in local caste hierarchy. Let's study the nature of dominant caste. The first point, determinants of dominance. When a caste enjoys all the elements of dominance, that is numerically strengthened, economic and political power, high ritual status, it is said to be dominant in a decisive way. The second point is in nature of dominant caste is distribution of dominance. Different elements of dominance are distributed differently among different castes in a village. Let's understand, for example, a caste which is numerically high may be poor and lacking power in political power, while a ritually high status caste may be rich economically and lacking strength in numbers. It can also say that when a caste enjoys one form of dominance, it is frequently able to acquire from a other form of dominance. The third point is dominance is not purely a local phenomenon. In this, M.N. Srinivas says, in rural India, dominance is purely a local matter. It means a caste group which has only a family two two in a particular village may enjoy, say, decisive dominance over a wider region because the caste members of these families maintain a network of ties with the dominant relatives found in the region. The fourth point is new factors affecting dominance of caste. According to M.N. Srinivas, Western education, jobs in the administration, and urban source of income are also significant in contributing to the prestige and power of particular caste group in the village. Particular caste group in the village. The last point in this nature of dominant caste is dominant caste at the state levels. Which are those means Lingayats and Vakarigas in Karnataka, Reddis and Kamas in Andhra Pradesh, in Kerala Nayars and Iswas, and in Tamil Nadu we can find Mudliyas, and Marathas, Brahmins, Mahars in Maharashtra, and the Thakurs, Rajput, Gujar, the Baniyas in North Indian states are the dominant caste at the state level. Here we can understand meaning and definition of dominant caste and nature of dominant caste. Thanks for listening.